How to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. In this homepage, on the top right, you will find your profile icon with the three horizontal bars on it. Tap on this icon and you will reach to this page. Here in this menu section, you will find settings icon at the top right. Tap on settings and once you reach inside the settings page, you need to scroll down until you find your information section. Under this section, you will be able to see access your information option. Tap on this option on the top of this section. And once you reach to this page, tap on continue here. Now wait for a while. Once the page opens, here you will be able to see the search bar. Tap on the search bar and there type in other people's posts to your feed. While typing, you will also get the search results at the bottom. Here you will find other people's posts to your feed. Tap on this option on the top. And now here you will be able to see all the birthday wishes that has been posted on your timeline. Now to reply to them, you need to tap on three dots at the right side and then at the bottom you will find these options. Tap on view. Now you can just tap on this comment option and then reply to this birthday wish. If you have multiple wishes on your Facebook timeline here, you need to follow the same steps to reply to all birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline. So by following these steps, you should be able to reply all the birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.